Hello, in this video we're going to derive the long-run total cost function from the production function Q equals 4L plus 4K. Here's the firm's production function, where Q is the firm's output, L units of labor, and K units of capital. We want to derive the firm's total cost as a function of Q, W, and R. Case 1, if the wage is less than the price of capital, the firm will only hire labor inputs. Because the marginal product of labor and capital are identical in this case, marginal product of labor is 4, marginal product of capital is also 4, the firm will use the lowest priced input. In this case, that would be labor. So if W is less than R, the firm will only use labor inputs and no capital. Again, this is assuming that the marginal product of labor equals the marginal product of capital. Here is our cost function, which is the wage times units of labor plus the price of capital times units of capital. And since W is less than R, we argued that K will equal 0 and the firm will only hire labor inputs. So taking our production function here, setting K equal to 0, we get Q equals 4L. Taking our cost function, setting K equal to 0, we just get C equals W times L. So here's our cost function, but we want our cost function to be a function of the input price as an output. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the production function and solve it for L. So dividing through by 4, I get L equals Q divided by 4. We're going to substitute that result into the cost function, and that is our long-run total cost in the case where the wage is less than the price of capital. Let's take up the other case. In this situation, the wage exceeds the price of capital. So because the marginal products are the same, the firm will use the lowest price input here, which happens to be capital, and labor then will be zeroed out. So L will equal 0, making our appropriate substitutions, taking our production function now and just solving for K, taking that result, plugging it back into the cost equation. We got the long-run total cost when, in this case, when the price of capital is less than the wage. Okay, that's it.